Good morning, dear principal sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am Manisha Kanwar from class 10C stand over here to present a speech by APJ Abdul Kalam. You say that our government is insufficient. You say that our laws are too old. You say the municipality does not pick up the garbage. You say phones don't work, the railways are a joke and the airlines are the worst in the world. Mails never reach their destination. You say and say. What do you do about it? Take a person on his way to Singapore. Give him a name, yours. Give him a face, yours. You walk out of the airport and you are at an international best. In Singapore, you do not throw cigarette butts or eat in stores. You are as proud of their underground link as they are. You pay $5 to drive through Orchard Road between 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. You come back to parking lot to punch your parking ticket if you have overstayed in a shopping mall or a restaurant of your status identity. In Singapore, you do not say anything, do you? You would not dare to eat in public during Ramadan in Dubai. You would not dare to go out without your head covered in jahid. You would not dare to buy an employee of telephone exchange in London at £10 a month to see to it that my SD and ISD calls are billed to someone else. You would not dare to speed beyond 55 miles per hour in Washington and then tell the traffic cops, Janta hai main kaun hu? Do you know who I am? I am so and so's son. Take your $2 and get lost. You would not chuckle an empty coconut shell anywhere other than on the garbage pail of beaches of Australia and Switzerland. Why don't you spit pans on the streets of Tokyo? Why don't you use examination jockey or buy a fake certificates in Boston? We are still talking of the same you. You who respect and conform to a foreign system in other countries but cannot in your own. You who will throw papers and cigarettes the moment you touch Indian ground. If you can be an involved and appreciative citizen in an alien country, why cannot you be the same here in India? Thank you.